All right, good morning. How's everyone doing? We got CLRO so far. CLRO. All right, the gap scanner not looking too bad today. The gap scanner. You have a TRVN for potential bounce from yesterday, kind of holding the support here. So we'll see here if we do get a bounce at the open. You could see a bounce, maybe a run up to 4. We never know. So I want to keep that one on watch for sure. ENSC curling up. Let's take a look. I'm going to take a look at ENSC. Maybe let's see if there's any news on it. ENSC Bioscience has announced successful completion of groundbreaking study on overdose protection. So that could be decent. A major milestone towards the launch of PF615 MPAR, which is probably their drug. So ENSC is definitely one to keep on watch. Did make a move from 3.4 to 5.5, so not too bad, and still kind of holding those highs. You could see a move, ENSC. So that's a main watch for me. Keep that on the side chart. SLRX kind of pop and drop today. So this one's off the watch list. Maybe a bottom bounce, but those are riskier plays. Not something that I'm willing to, focus on for a dead cat bounce. Those aren't really my favorite. MOBQ is also on the scanner. Let's see. MOBQ, not the best. Penny stock, ERYP. Now, not a lot of volume there, but could give a move, maybe. GSMG. This one had news of a cash dividend. It was moving earlier this morning, started fading. I don't think this one will be the winner today. MTEK. Also on the scanner, low volume, but so what? We got a lot of gappers overnight, a lot of over 10% gappers, which is definitely a good sign that there's definitely momentum in the market. There's definitely momentum in the market. How hot? I'm not sure, but there's enough momentum to be having 10 or 20 gappers here that are gapping over 10% with decent volume. So we'll see which one of these becomes the winner for today. It looks like maybe ENSC or CLRO or maybe TRVN. ENSC is now going into the highs. So we'll see. I'm not sure if I'm willing to take a trade on this. I didn't take any trades pre-market yet. So I'm not willing. I don't know if I'm willing to break the ice on a pre-market trade here. At 9.12. I've been kind of dialing down on my pre-market trades recently. ENSE, it's really good that we, had that front side from 3.4 to 5.5. Now we're holding and going back into the highs. So, I think I may take a trade on this. I'll take 100 shares, small size. No, not strong. Oh, okay, never mind. We got to pop up to 70. Sold way too soon on that one. And we broke out, but the bids did not climb. I think I even took a loss on that one. Yeah, I actually took a loss. That's sort of embarrassing. But, well, what are you going to do? ENSE. That was such a weird breakout, man. That was such a weird breakout. I thought it wasn't strong because it broke out, and the bids were still at like 50, and the ask moved all the way up to like 65. I'm gonna wait for the open. Would have been up like almost $30. Ay, 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 ay. ENSE, 15 minutes till the open. We're at all-time highs, but daily, at today's highs. It could make a move. We have a candle wick all the way up to 597. So let's take a look here at what the price action we had on that day. So it looks like a pop and a drop on that day. So we could see a squeeze out of 596. So through 6 today. So $6 is definitely the area we're looking at. Maybe then move up to 7. Maybe move up to a 7. I'm not sure if we have that strength. MOBQ moving up the gap scanner. Keep that on watch. If you guys want to join the Discord, the link will be down in the description. I am active in the Discord all throughout my trading session, so if you guys want to chat there after the stream, we could always do that. Forming a little flag here. I kind of hope that this doesn't rip to 60 yet. I do want to leave a little juice in the tank for the open. In the open, you can get explosive moves just because of the volume. And because of the lower volume pre-market, you tend to get wider spreads as well. You can kind of see there's some support now at the 9. We tested the 9. Yesterday was a green day of $73, so making a nice chunk of my loss back on Thursday and Friday. And Thursday and Friday had 2 red days. Made back a chunk of that, so which is good. Not too far off the highs, which is good. I never want to be too far or get into a drawdown too far off the highs. You got to keep those losers small. You will have red days. You got to keep them small. That's how we stay successful over the long term. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Got to be in it for the long term. Yesterday's running P&L was a bit stressful though. We can take a look at yesterday's running P&L. So starting the day, I went up small green of about $30, giving all that money back to flat on the day, and then finally rallied with TRVN up $73. Gave a little bit back and then made it back again. So, not the cleanest, but locking up a green day yesterday, which is good. I want to, stay away from that red mindset. That red day mindset, after having so many red days and it just feels like you're never going to get green. Definitely is good to break that cycle with a nice small green day. Get yourself out of that headspace. Stay optimistic, staying positive, and staying in that green headspace. Staying grateful for the green. You always got to be grateful for green. The more you're grateful, the more you attract the green. $10 minutes to the open. ENSC may be the one to watch. We do have news. Let's take out FinViz here. A little tool in our tool belt. See what we got here for ENSC. I know it's a small float. We've traded this before. It doesn't even show. So let's go over to Guru Focus. Guru Focus. Let's see what we have for ENSC. Go into ownership. 1.2 million shares float. So the float is small. And we have a catalyst on the day. The catalyst on the day announces successful completion of groundbreaking. This is the key word. Groundbreaking study on overdose protection. So just by the words that they use, it'll catch traders' eyes. So we may see a move on this. I want to keep this on watch. Definitely is the one to watch. Retesting those highs. You're going to make a move up to 6. Come on, see that break of 6. I'm gonna hold 100 shares here. I was in 300. Just hold 100 shares. Let's see if we get a bigger move. I'm gonna scale out here on the 50 share increments. Let's see a break of 620. Pull back and a break of 620. Boom. I added, taken off at 622. I sold the rest of it. I should have held 50 shares still. Not bad. Nice $47 winner right there. Not too bad. That's actually a really good trade for me because pre-market, I am not I guess I'm just not the best pre-market trader. So I like to do small size, but this was decent size, 300 shares. Usually I don't get any big winners pre-market, but it was pretty big for me at least. Up about 10 cents again from my previous exit. Definitely should have held that. Let's see if we can get a pullback and then a break of 650. This is the one to watch for the open. We broke 650. We're pulling back, so we're definitely due for a pullback here. Let's see if we can get somewhere down in 620s. And at the open, maybe want to look for a bigger pullback. But again, we're 5 minutes from the open. I think I might just, take that one nice $47 winner right now and kind of, boost my confidence a little bit and, save it for the open. Yeah, this would have been definitely a stock to definitely hold a little bit longer, which I did. I did wait a little bit longer, and I was able to scale out, up at 620 and mid 620s. But I think I had to hold it even longer. I had to hold it even longer than that. There's just some setups that you need to identify, and those setups are going to be the ones that you just need to hold a little bit longer. And that just comes with experience. It just comes with experience, knowing which breakout, which dip, just to give it a little more time. All right, so definitely gonna wait for now for a pullback at ENSC. Maybe we could see some profit taking, maybe a dip down to like 6 again, or to break below 6 and then a curl back up for a bigger move. We could also just see like another blow off rip just to the upside. So yeah, that's definitely my watch here. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please hit that thumbs up button. Also subscribe if you're not yet a subscriber. Join the Discord. I will be active in the Discord for the rest of the trading day. So see you guys in the community. Good luck today, and keep your risk tight and stay green. All right, I'll see you guys on the other side.